Yes. Now this exhibition is finished for composition, so it will open on Saturday. 2 more days, but now it is finished for everything, or just one small little detail. But the whole exhibition is a mix of two things. First of all, there's the artwork in itself, which means that sometimes it's painting, abstract painting, or text, or glass objects, or installations, like the artwork, modern art, abstract modern art. Or the other part number two of the exhibition is the concept, the main concept of the exhibition, which we can see over here on this one.
Right.
This is the main concept of the exhibition that says that today everything can be art, and that has been true for a long time in modern art, that everything can be art. You can throw anything on the floor in the gallery. If it is in the gallery, then it's art, because it is inside the gallery. So it can be anything. And so it means that it is also possible that society can be art and humanity can be art, because everything can be art, and also everything should be art. Everything should be cultivated. Everything should be cultivated to a certain quality, because a certain quality is what we need. If it is spiritual quality or aesthetic quality in society or in life in general, or in an ethical perspective for morality, the aspect of quality is the most central point nearly in humanity. So it is important that we start to reflect about society and think that since everything can be art today, then society and humanity also can be seen as art. And then the text says that today it is more important to improve society than to make works of art. The most important thing is to improve society. About art is not so important, but we can use the knowledge and the quality of art and put it in society. So there's a lot of things that the world needs. The world needs more aesthetic solutions, better aesthetic solutions, and of course the most important thing, it needs more ethical or better ethical solutions, which is about morality and insight and wisdom and the ability to live together and the ability to live with different concepts, because everything is a concept. And when we attach to a concept, even if it is Buddhism or Christianity or any other kind of religion or whatever it is a concept in the human mind. And if we attach too hard, then we will have conflicts. We cannot live peacefully together, and society will suffer both for aesthetics and also for ethics. So it is important to try to insert more quality into society, and that quality can be achieved by the knowledge and by the knowledge coming from art, science and philosophy. So that is the main concept of the exhibition, that now it is time to take care of world society. It is time to improve global world society, about pollution, about terrorism, about ideological warfare, because that is all about concepts and about the way that we attach to the concepts. Okay. So the exhibition says that it is more important to improve society than to make works of art. But in order to improve society, we have to use the knowledge of art and of science and philosophy.
Okay.
So this first room is about that aspect, and also we have glass objects. Maybe it's a little difficult to see on the video. The text is a sandblast. It is blasted with sand, and this one is a text about perception in the mind. That in performance art, in modern conceptual performance art, also it is true that everything can be a conceptual performance art piece. So this work is about that the constitution of a perception, which means that when something happens in your mind, it can be seen as a work of art, or it could be seen as the final step of modern art, because now everything in art is so abstract and so philosophical and nearly scientific and mathematical. So art has moved quite a lot into the perception of people, into the way that the mind works. It has been like that for 20, 30 years, especially in Europe, that it is more, art is quite a lot about self-reflection, about how to see the human mind, how it works in the world. And what is it that is art? What is the work of art? Is it the object itself? Is it the object itself? Or is it your experience of the work? Because if without your experience, without your perception, this work of art does not exist. And it cannot do anything because it doesn't exist in your world, or in your life, or in your mind, or in your perception. So what is the work of art itself? Is it the work itself, or is it the experience, the perception of the work itself? So this work reflects on that issue, and